fineness tester, where we are going to place cotton in the open form, thoroughly clean. There shouldn't be any kind of trash content in the material, and that material should weigh 5 grams, and this 5 grams of material is placed in this cylinder. Here you can able to see the material already placed into the cylinder of known volume. Okay, and this is called as plunger, which will be used to lock this thing. After locking, we need to press at the low volume and high volume buttons. So first we are going with low volume. Then this is the piston. We need to lift this piston slowly and leave it out. Here you can able to see in the manometer reading, the liquid is going to the highest position, and we need to record that highest position. See here, just before we seen that the liquid went to the highest position, that is 29, and slowly it will, as the piston goes down, the liquid will come down to its original position, original mark. And here you can see at one point of scale maturity coefficient is known, and on the other side of the scale cotton maturity is known. Here micronair value is seen. See here, the piston completely got settled, and the liquid slowly it will go to its original mark. See, it's gone to the original mark. Okay, now this is for the low volume. Again we are going to do the same thing for high volume. High volume, in a sense, we need to press this and lock it. Lock this plunger at the bottom where it is high pressure. Again we need to pull this piston up slowly and release this piston. We can able to see the micronair value, or else the scale value is touching up to the 32 mark highest, and we need to see whether it is rising more or less. Now 32.5, 32.8, it has gone to 32.8, 33.5. What is the highest number? 34. The piston has reached the highest value of 34. We need to check it out until and unless this piston gets settled. Now the liquid is going back to its initial point. Again it has gone to highest, that is 36, 36.5, 36.9, 37, 37.3. It has reached to its maximum point as 37.3. We need to take that readings and record it. So the first volume, reading was nearest to 30, and second reading we have seen somewhere around 37.3. So we need to record these things and enter into our formula. I'll give that formula in the next video.